Good morning to all the students of class 2. Myself Vaibhav Balbyas. Today I take online classes regarding EVS subject Junior World, and this is the from chapter 8. Chapter 8, and the chapter name is Things We Wear. Things We Wear. But before explaining this chapter, students, I want to clear you about that. Why do we wear clothes? Can you give me answer? Why do we wear clothes? I think many students can know this answer, that how we wear clothes or why do we wear clothes. Suppose you and I, why we wear clothes? There are two reasons behind this, that why we wear clothes. Number one, listen, to cover our body, to cover our body. If we do not wear clothes, then how can I cover our body? It is possible, student? No, it is not possible. So we can say that we wear clothes to protect our body or to cover our body. Understand? And second reason is that we protect body from heat, cold, rain, etc. If we wear clothes, then our body protects us. So we protect from rain, cold, heat, etc. So understand about why do we wear clothes? Very good. These are the two reasons that you and I wear clothes, or anyone. Understand about why do we wear clothes? Very good. Now comes to the topic, things we wear. Now explaining you about this chapter. Long ago, you know that early man, you have listened the name early man. I think many students have listened the name early man. Early man do not wear the cloth. Early man do not wear the cloth. After some times, they study or they learned about how to wear clothes or what is the importance of clothes. They start to wear the animal skin. They start to wear the animal skin to stay warm. Understand? After some times, listen carefully what I am saying you, that the early man do not wear clothes, and this is the story of long ago, so many years ago. But after some times, the early man learned that animal is that we have to wear clothes. So they started to wearing about the animal skin, and after wearing the animal skin, they understand about the importance of clothes. They should understand that, oh, this is the animal skin that I have wear, it should protect from warm also, so we have to wear the cloth. Early men also made clothes. You think that, sir, how early men made clothes? Yes, this is a good question that you asked me. How early men made clothes? Early men made clothes from the leaves and grass. From the leaves and grass. Understand? Listen what I am saying. Early men made the clothes from the leaves and grass to keep off the strong sun. To keep off the strong sun. Understand about the early men, how they learned to wear the clothes or how they made the clothes. It is clear, yes or no, student? I think it is clear about. I have explained you about the two topics, that first of all, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body or to protect us from heat, cold, rain. And the early man learned, how they learned? They found that the animal skin, and they were starting to wearing the animal skin in our body, and then after wearing this animal skin in body, they found that this animal skin keep us warm. So they starting to make the clothes. And how they made clothes? They made the clothes from the leaves and the grass to keep off the strong sun, to keep off the strong sun, to keep off the strong sun. Understand? To keep off the strong sun. Now at the present time, I and you or anybody wear many kinds of clothes, yes or no, or different kinds of clothes. Now at present times, I told you about the present times that I and you students wearing many kinds of clothes or different types of clothes, yes or no? Yes. Is it clear or no? Yes. Listen, at the present time, I said that at the present time we wear many kinds of clothes or different clothes. And you also know that we make clothes from the different things also, yes or no? We make clothes from different things also. How we make the clothes from different things also? I think many students thinking that, sir, you said that at the present time we wear different kinds of clothes or many kinds of clothes, and the clothes are made from different things. Then how, sir? I explained you. First of all, you listen me that I explained with some example that's cleared you about how clothes are made from different things. Students, when it is very hot, what do you want to wear? Give me answer. If it is very hot around us, then what do you want to wear? You wear light cotton clothes. What do you wear? You wear light cotton clothes. Understand, student? What do you wear? You wear light cotton clothes. In next video, I explained you clearly about that how clothes are made from different things. Okay, student? So thanks to all the students.